Hi, my name is Brad. I'm a Washington State licensed private investigator, and I work with lawyers and attorneys who need to partner with a private investigator on things. Hey, if you are an attorney or a law firm and you have difficult to serve legal documents, that'd be a good reason to get in contact with me. I do pretty good with those difficult to serve legal documents. Hey, you might need a skip trace, whether that's hey, you sent out other process servers, you realize you need a new address because the addresses you had are no good. That'd be a good time to get in contact with me. You know, being a Washington State licensed private investigator, I have access to a number of those paid private investigator type skip tracing databases. And, you know, maybe we can jump in there and run a skip trace and see if we can get a good address and get back out there and get those papers served for you. Hey, you know, maybe you're trying to probate an estate. Maybe you're trying to find heirs. You need an address. You need a fresh new address on somebody. Think about getting in contact with me on something like that as well. What about a stakeout and a serve? You know, sometimes you and the previous process servers you sent out, you know, you knew, hey, the person's in there. You know, the person's at the location. They're just not coming out. They just don't respond to the knocks on the door. You know, they've probably taken the numbers off the apartment door. They're just not. I mean, they know there's papers coming. They just don't want to receive them. And hey, maybe your illegal documents are not the only thing that they're skipping out on or hiding from. Well, hey, that's a good time for a stakeout and a serve. Put an investigator on a location for a few hours, and if the person comes out or if the person returns, that's a good time to have the private investigator walk on up, see about getting those legal documents served for you. Hey, what about protection services? Hey, you or one of your clients might need protection services on, something like an eviction notice. Maybe you need to get an eviction notice served, and you need somebody to stand by, make sure that things stay okay. Or maybe the eviction's been done and, you know, the party is still pissed, but you got to get in there and do a trash out. Well, that's a good time for to have somebody stand by, make sure that things stay safe while that's getting taken care of. Hey, once again, my name is Brad. I'm a Washington State licensed private investigator working here in the Snohomish County, Washington area, covering places like Marysville, Arlington, Everett, Lake Stevens, Edmonds, Linwood, Bothell Briar, Mount Lake Terrace, you know, places like that. Thanks so much for watching the video. Have a great day and stay safe out there.